Today, I will tell you why Time Wonderland is probably not the best place to invest your money even with a strong APY of 80,000%, and why the price of time is crashing from $9,500 to $3,200 in less than a month. So in this video, here's what I will cover. What is Wonderland? Is it a safe investment? How does it work? And how can you potentially make money on Wonderland? Why has the price of time crashed over 60% in the last month? My view on this Olympus DAO fork. Like and subscribe to support the channel and get daily updates on new crypto gems. Hi, I am Crypto AV. Welcome to this new video on Wonderland Time. What is Wonderland? Wonderland is a fork of Olympus DAO. It is the most successful fork of Olympus. Wonderland is the first decentralized reserve currency protocol available on the Avalanche network based on the Time token. Each Time token is backed by a basket of assets in the Wonderland treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. Wonderland also introduces economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. We can see the market cap of Wonderland Time on CoinMarketCap. It is currently $179 million. Don't be confused with the market cap that they're showing on their website. $1.8 billion is not the market cap of the Time token. They calculate the market cap of $1.8 billion with the treasury balance and the total value locked. Who created Wonderland? Daniel Sestet and Zero X Merlin created Wonderland. Daniel is a successful and docs developer. He also created Abracadabra Money, Magic Internet Money, a USD stablecoin, and Popsicle Finance. They're all big projects. It's one of the only DAO I know of where we actually know who's behind, but the rest of the team is anonymous. As a photo of him, Daniel Sesta, the DeFi genius. The current APY of Wonderland is 80,700%. That's a huge APY for a project that big, with more than $1 billion in total value locked. How does this project achieve such a big APY? In simple terms, when you buy the token, you exchange valuable assets for time like AVAX. With the asset you exchange, they will add it to their treasury, and with the treasury, they can invest it to generate more money. In exchange, you get more time at 80,700% a year. Your APY is paid in time, and for Wonderland, it doesn't cost them a single cent to give you time. They can create as much time as they want. Is it a safe investment? In crypto, nothing is safe, and Wonderland is even more degen. It's a high-risk, high-reward play. You might lose everything. Even with the high APY of over 80,000% a year, if the price goes down by 99%, you will lose almost everything. I believe that the founders of this project will not rug, because they are known to the public and they will make way more money being honest long-term than rugging this project, especially since they have other successful projects launched. But a hack is always possible. Popsicle Finance, which is another project from Daniel Sesta, was hacked back in August. More than $25 million were stolen. And the team behind Popsicle has done a great job of repaying the victims of the hack. Now I'm going to show how you can make money with Time Wonderland. First, you can buy Time tokens on here. The page of Trader Joe will appear and Time token will be added automatically. Check the box and click Continue. Now the token is added and you can swap any tokens on the Avalanche network to Time tokens. And of course, you need to connect your wallet. Back on the website, you can add Time and Memo tokens to your wallet. Click Add Token, and it will be added automatically. It's the same process to add Memo tokens. Let's go to the stake section. Here you can stake your Time tokens. Connect your wallet, click Approve, and it's done. Then here you can unstake with the same process. By staking time, you earn Memo tokens in return at a 1-1, so Memo has the same price as time. Then here's the bombing section, which they've called minting. Minting is the secondary value accrual strategy of Wonderland. When users mint time tokens, they are actually selling their assets in order to buy a bond from the protocol. Minting actions are a cross between a fixed income product, a futures contract, and an option. The protocol quotes the minter with terms for a trade at a future date. These terms include a predefined amount of time the minter will mint and the time when vesting is complete. The bond becomes redeemable as it vests. In a 5-day term, after 2 days into the term, 40% of the rewards can be claimed. The ROI by minting is just 8%. It's not impressive compared to the other degenerate Olympus DAO fork. Then they have the famous Lamborghini calculator. They created this awesome calculator trend, and now almost all of the Olympus DAO forks have a Lambo or a Tesla calculator. So you input how many you want to invest, and it will estimate your future returns. We can now check the bridge section. Here you can bridge from all these chains, Avalanche, Phantom, and Ethereum with a wrapped Memo fee. It's a nice feature that not many DAOs have. We can go to the docs to see more details about Wonderland. Here's why Wonderland exists. Our goal is to build a policy-controlled currency system native on the AVAX network in which the behavior of the time token. In the long term, we believe this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency so that time can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. We intend to achieve price flatness for a representative basket of goods without the use of fiat currency in order to allow the cryptocurrency industry to detach once and for all from the traditional finance world. And that's why we need Wonderland. Dollar-pegged stablecoins have become an essential part of crypto due to their lack of volatility as compared to tokens such as Bitcoin and Ether. Users are comfortable with transacting using stablecoins knowing that they hold the same amount of purchasing power today vs tomorrow. But this is a fallacy. The dollar is controlled by the US government and the Federal Reserve. This means a depreciation of dollar also means a depreciation of these stablecoins. Wonderland aims to solve this by creating a non-pegged stablecoin called Time. By focusing on supply growth rather than price appreciation, Wonderland hopes that time can function as a currency that is able to hold its purchasing power regardless of market volatility. Why has the price of time crashed over 60% in the last month? Many new players entered Wonderland because it was the DeFi 2.0 season. Every project that was a fork of Olympus was really popular, and a lot of people new to crypto bought every single Olympus DAO fork launching. That's why prices have risen so quickly, and also why the price went down from $9,500 to $3,200 in a single month. Even with the high APY, you would be down by a lot in the last month. Just by recording this video, the price went from $3,200 to $3,060. My opinion is that most Olympus DAO fork went down by over 50% in the last month, and the reason is that most of these projects have insiders or people who bought during the whitelist are dumping immediately after launch because they are already up to 5x on their investment. Prices are low right now. If I would buy, it would be now. But remember, prices can go down to zero. This is not investment advice. Do your own research before investing. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like to support the channel. If you are interested in getting double the APY of over 160,000% a year, let me know in the comments and I will do a video explaining how to do this. See you in the next one.